Most manufacturers and exporters don't lose sales because of price. They lose sales because inquiries get buried in Gmail, WhatsApp, and Excel. Here is a simple example of how this problem unfolds. A customer emails, "Need 25 metric tons of GI binding wire, 18 gauge, delivery in Hyderabad. Please quote." Normally, someone has to read the email, copy the item, quantity, delivery location, check rates, update Excel, and then draft a reply. Now watch how this automation transforms the process. The automation reads the email, extracts the product, quantity, location, company name, and urgency. It then adds the inquiry into a CRM, creates a quote draft, and reminds the sales team to follow up if no reply is sent. So instead of manually tracking every inquiry, your team can focus on actually closing the order. This is what I call an inquiry to quote automation. If you run a manufacturing, trading, or export business and your inquiries are still sitting across Gmail, WhatsApp, and Excel, this can save hours every week. Send me one manual inquiry process from your business and I'll tell you how it can be automated.